And this is why we travel now.
It really was a quality short walk, that. I really enjoyed it.
We have made it to the Cranny Falls.
We're going to take 32 days to travel around the countries, showing you some of the best bits.
We're currently in Northern Ireland and it's our final day here today.
Yeah.
And we're in the Cranny Falls car park looking for a lovely little waterfall. A lot of people say it's quite an easy walk, so I'm hoping it's not too difficult.
Let's give it a go then.
On the Cranny Falls trail, nice little tunnel coming up.
Looks pretty, doesn't it?
Straight towards a gate. Cranny Falls.
Oh, the sun's coming out now.
Ah.
Oh, that's nice. Antrim Coast.
Says there's walks around the quarry.
Yeah, different walks, isn't it?
And you get different viewpoints.
Yeah.
So far, a very simple route.
Yeah, isn't it? First sip of the flask of tea. Always good. Go like this.
Because
yeah. Oh, the sun's on you.
it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cranny Falls.
There it is. We've got some nice views of the hills here as well.
Wow.
Yeah.
Into your short walks.
This is a quality walk. I'm appreciating the quality of this walk.
Cranny Falls gets its name from the Gaelic Cranach, which means abounding in trees.
It's a nice name. Abounding, that's a nice word, isn't it?
Broadleaf woodland still cloaks this impressive limestone gorge, offering a spectacular backdrop to the waterfall.
Wow. I suppose this is right. It's more like a little, like a woodland, no, what would you call
Gorge
it?
trail.
A gorge trail, yeah, that's it. It's like that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now. I can see the waterfall.
Looks like the tallest
Ooh.
and the biggest one we've seen so far.
That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? How nice is this? Oh, it's like a little viewing platform.
Isn't it?
Wow! Look at that! Huh. And then it flows under here and out that way. Look at that, that's nice as well.
That air is lovely.
It smells beautiful.
So clear. We live on a main road in Cambridge and this is why we travel now. To get away from that road.
It's just the essence of why we want to travel, yeah.
Long story. We'll tell it another time, but we can't sell our flat.
Yeah.
Because of the cladding issues.
We felt kind of trapped there for a while and just wanted to get out and explore. And that's where the travelling comes in. So
far we've explored the Lake District in England and the Galloway Forest Park in Scotland. So if you've not checked them out, check them out and hit that subscribe so you can follow this journey. There's plenty more to come on this road trip.
Next stop, Southern Ireland. It really was a quality short walk, that. I really enjoyed it. The waterfall was just lovely. It's very peaceful, lovely walk, lovely nature.
Coastal Archway.
Wow, that's cool.
That's cool, isn't it? Should we be an annoying tourist and stop in the middle of the road and take pictures?
We should, shouldn't we? So, we showed it, didn't we? When we got it on the shop. Yeah, we got the traditional Irish stew from the shop. So this is the inaugural tasting of the Irish stew. Do you want to go? What do you mean? Do you have to? We're thinking that it's not the most appetising looking version of what could be Irish stew.
A good amount of carrots. It's not bad.
Is it good?
It tastes better than it looks.
Good.
A bit like shepherd's pie.
Is it? Perhaps it's just shepherd's pie but all mixed in together.
Like the meat,
Yeah.
carrots, potato.
Mm.
Yeah, so it's alright, that Irish stew.
Mm. No, I've got a bit of lamb, carrots. Mm. No, that's what you mean. It is like, it's heavy on the potato, isn't it? It's like mashed potato with other things in it. But it's fine, it tastes good. Yeah.